Is your iPhone's bottom right speaker suddenly silent? Let's fix that in seconds before you assume it's broken. Ideally, in earlier iPhone models, the bottom left section with 3 holes is the microphone, and the bottom right section with 5 holes is the speaker. For the iPhone 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max, Apple changed the layout, so the bottom left is now the speaker and the bottom right is the microphone. You can test this by playing audio from the Voice Memos or Music app. I'm playing audio from Voice Memos, and you can feel air coming from the bottom left speaker holes because the sound is coming from there. The bottom right holes remain silent since they're the microphone. If it's still not working correctly, then check the audio balance from the Settings app. Go to the Settings app, scroll to Accessibility, and scroll a little bit more to tap on the audio and visual option. Again, scroll to the bottom and set the audio balance to the center position. Left is for the bottom speaker, and right is for the top speaker. As you can see on my iPhone, audio shifts as I move the balance left or right. If your iPhone speaker still isn't sounding right, then reset all settings on your iPhone. Don't worry, doing this won't delete your media files, messages, or contacts. Launch the Settings app, scroll a little bit, and tap on General. Again, scroll to the bottom and tap on the Transfer or Reset iPhone option. Then tap on Reset and select Reset All Settings. Enter your iPhone's lock screen passcode and confirm with the Reset pop-up. After your iPhone reboots, check if the issue is fixed. If not, the next step is to force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then press and release the volume down button, then press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo on the screen. Wait for it to turn back on and check if the issue is resolved. If the problem continues, the final solution is to run a diagnosis with Apple support. Contact them and book an appointment online through call, chat, or email, or get free repair or replacement if your iPhone is under warranty. You can check your iPhone's warranty status online or in the Settings app. Under the Settings app, scroll to General and tap About. Check the limited warranty or coverage expired section. If it's under warranty, you'll see that your device is covered for hardware service and other phone or chat support. That's everything about the right speaker not working or sounding low. If you have any questions, comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more free tech guide video updates.